Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how to make a factory data reset with the Xiaomi 13 and Xiaomi 13 Pro. First of all, let me tell you, if you want to resell the phone, you should delete the Google account first because that's better for the new owner. If you need some help I have linked the tutorial here in the description below. Let's come to the reset right now, and the most effective one is the one with the buttons. So for that you need to off the phone first, and if the phone is completely off, you will need the power button and the volume up button. Long press these both buttons until you see the Mi logo. Now leave the power button and continue with the volume up button. Keep going on, and then you will have this menu here. Okay, you can't use, by the way, here the touch sensor, so you can only navigate with the buttons. So the volume keys are to go down with the volume down key, and with the volume up key you can go up. To confirm, use the power button. Okay, here in this menu we need now the second point, to wipe data. Just go down with the volume down button and confirm now with the power button. Now the phone is asking you if you're really sure what you're doing. Yes, so we need now to go on to the second point here, wipe all data. Go down with the volume down key, confirm with the power button. Okay, now it's asking if you're really sure what you're doing, because you will delete all the data on the phone. Yes, we are. So we need to go and confirm. Go down with the down key and confirm with the power button. And now the phone is making a reset. That's pretty fast. And after, you need to go back to the main menu because we need to reboot the phone. Confirm again. Reboot. Okay, now we need in the main menu. Okay, now in the main menu we need to reboot the phone. So it's already here on reboot. So just confirm now with the power button. Confirm now again to reboot to system. It's blue. And that's the part which one takes the most time here during the process, and that's absolutely okay. Maybe 2 or 3 minutes, something like this. And yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer a question. And if you want to resell a phone, I hope that you have a good price for that. And yeah, if you want, you can leave me a nice comment, or you can give me also a thumbs up. Thank you so much because this is a big help for my videos here. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in with some more tips and tricks and so on. You can also subscribe me to don't miss a new video. Thank you so much for your support, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.